Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make audio echo in DaVinci Resolve. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating an audio effect in DaVinci Resolve involves the following steps. So the first step would be navigate to the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Fairlight tab, locate and open the mixer by clicking on the mixer icon. Now, right-click on the audio track you want to add on echo, unclick copy, then paste it. Then move it below the original audio. Now, move the duplicated track slightly to the right on the timeline to create a time delay. On the duplicated track, apply an echo effect. You can do this by adding audio effects or plugins available in the Fairlight Effects library. To do this, hit this plus button, then hit reverb, then hit another reverb, and it will open a menu. And here, you can customize the echo effect settings, such as pre-delay, reverb time, etc., to achieve the desired echo effect. Once done, close it. Then, once you are satisfied with the echo effect, proceed to render your project in the Edit section. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any changes, and experiment with different settings to achieve the desired audio echo effect. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.